Yo, it's Keese and welcome back to the channel.
Yo, Luca, what the f is this?
The kid is unbelievable.
Boom. Okay. So here's the situation today. We got to slide down to the bay. All right. So we taking the trip. We up here in Sacramento. We sliding down 5. No, my bad. We sliding down 99. Hop over 4. Slide down 5. Transition over to 205. Boom. Over to 580. And we hitting Hayward. Today is the Street Kingz core meet down there in Hayward. So I think it's in the Tesla parking lot. I'm not 100% sure, but the address looked like the Tesla building was right there. So they're supposed to have vendors. It's supposed to be big. It's supposed to be like the one at Delta Shores. Delta Shores was big. I think this is supposed to be even bigger. So it's going to be fun. Let's get it. Hop on the road with me. We're going to toss y'all in the back seat, man. Come slide, man. Come on the cruise. Hey, matter of fact, there's a few things I need y'all to do. All right, so like, comment, and subscribe, okay? When you like the videos, they get pushed out into the algorithm a little bit more. When you comment, I get to see what y'all like about the videos. And don't be discouraged in terms of writing things that could possibly make the videos better, right? Let me know. I want to make sure the content is good for y'all. And of course, subscribe. You know, more subscribers to keep my motivation up. I'm seeing more people rock with me. I do see the views and I love that, but I need the subscribers. Hit the notification bell so when I do drop, you ain't even got to wait for me to post on my IG, which is YoItsKeese. But in general, hit the notification bell so when I do drop, it pop up in your notifications. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, come on. Hop in, post with me, man. We finna go have some fun.
Yeah.
I think so. The guy at CnC Sac, we're gonna try to keep cut it off right here and start another road that way, so you don't damage nobody.
Nah, you good. You good.
Like that with the people's line.
So just go down to the end.
Yeah, just go down to the end and start forming another line up there.
Oh, I appreciate you, bro. Okay, we here. They got the lot popping.
I didn't say nothing. The slide in crazy. All right. Y'all see him? It might be stuck at these. He came with the all blue ZL1. Ooh-wee. I actually, you know what? Now I'm driving in this. One of my biggest things I didn't like about the mirror was because you didn't have no you couldn't see your blind spot. See it in here. I would have got this motherfucker. Big nigga right here. I see you, brother. You know the Bay gonna do what we do, girl. Okay. Mamacita, we gonna walk and get everybody. Okay. You chilling? You comfortable? Okay, cool. Finally seen the two-tone white and black. That's the Nismo too. Some of these car clubs is up here that I met from before. I want to come through and go see everybody's shit. Brought the Benz up. The wagon. See him? Little shit like that. He got the clean culture. That's your horn. He's a clone. Oh, okay. Yeah. His setup hella clean. I'll fuck with that. Okay, wow. Well, they gonna turn everybody's ass back around. She came in the peak TRX. Still, that's the one I want. His shit sitting A1 right here. So he gonna get it by any means. Yeah, man. I guess know what's up. Blacked out. I don't care what car meet you go to, the mirror's gonna come out in full effect. Y'all see? Fun to hear. Matter of fact, I want to hear it first. Ooh. Wait a minute. Bro, you got to be straight pipe.
It's got long tubes, exhaust cutouts. You can call it the cutout.
Oh, okay. Oh, I know. Yeah. I got some long tubes to some Angry Housewives, the Black Widows.
12 volt, 10 volt in the back.
I took the 10 volt out. I'm putting the 9-inch in the curve.
390 gears or gears?
373.
Okay, all right, that's good.
Nothing crazy.
Yeah, that's good. The T5, yeah.
Something I can push, but then also I can hop on the highway with.
Yeah,
you know
we'll be hell attacking. Yeah, I got you.
Hell yeah.
Cool, man. What's your name?
Marquise.
Hey, Tony, man. Nice to
Tony,
meet you, dude.
okay, for sure.
Right on.
This is my lady right
Hey,
here.
what's going on, Tony? Nice to meet you. My girl, Christina.
How you doing?
Yeah, this is
Nice
hers.
to meet you.
Yeah.
Oh, this her?
Yeah.
Oh, you tearing up the block on her there.
Yeah.
Okay, I see you.
Right on.
Hold on, let me get y'all in there.
Yo, what's going on, man? You said 1,000? Oh, no, my other one is. Yeah. I too.
Oh, for real?
76.
Oh, y'all not playing with her? Came in with the Amy. Ooh, right side. Right side steering in the bay. It smells good out here. Oh, a whole lot of right-hand side. The interior going bananas. Bruh, this thing right here, he was getting everybody the fuck up out of there at Delta Shores when they was doing dumb shit. The boy Chino.
Oh no, red light, it's time to sign. I'm about to show these outer timers how to back ride. And hit the intersect before the light turns green. And let them keep going, gravity. But that's my car, it's cause it's power, it's my shine, a star. And it's pain. The gold lines have been tied. Too rough that hip falls on the pain. Everybody's looking at it like I'm wrong.
Okay. They giving out raffle tickets. Oh, what's this for?
Raffles. We're giving away a bunch of cool stuff.
At this where at?
Right at the end of the ramp, there's a table right there that you'll see this company logo on it. This is my building, so we're giving away all kinds of stuff.
Got you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Coyote? Incredibly clean under there. Y'all go crazy with that motherfucker. It's real consistent too. Y'all took up like 2-3 damn rows up there.
Yeah, they were really big.
Yeah.
A lot of cars.
Like a motherfucker. Is the whole squad ain't here, or is it
They're not here, all of them. They're still missing some people. It's all these lines right here.
this the Valley chapter?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah. We was up there fucking with y'all last week. Purple John going crazy. Hey, follow, cuz. Oh, carbon fiber everywhere, you know what I'm saying? The color going crazy. It's color shifting the closer you get to it. Follow, follow, follow.
Follow, follow, follow. Y'all know the deal. This color hella clean. Yeah. The Rory come through and charging. I think I seen some of these when I came in. That John. Ooh. Oh, this my shit, Mook. This my shit. What year is it?
70.
70? I got a 71.
Yeah.
It's good with you.
Sorry, nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah. What you got up under there? I got the same shit.
Nothing crazy, you know. A lot of these cars, they got the same shit. But honestly, you could beef them up. They could hit 400-500 if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Put the right amount of money in them things.
Get a G-Body Malibu. And then, you know what I'm saying? It's hard to find them, though, the two doors.
My boy got the little G-Body Malibu, a little mini box, right?
Yeah.
My boy got a clean ass one, a white and red one, bro. On the Santis, too, he got the little white and red.
Come on.
Numbers and this shit.
I'm fucking with that.
Yeah, it's hard to find them little mini boxes, little mini Malibus. Like
Yeah.
Especially in a cool condition. You know, you can always find a
toe-up ass one. Yeah.
But it's just, you know, sometimes you got to know when it's enough work or when it's too much.
Yeah, because you're going to buy some shit and you're going to be pissed off after, 3-4 years.
Exactly.
Like, somebody just take this off my hands.
Exactly.
Yeah, other than that, I want a Chevy 2, like a 66.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. So that's the same thing, Nova.
Yeah.
Hell
the square body. I like the squares.
My boy got one. My boy Brandon, he got one, a clean one. But his is 64 though.
Okay.
Yeah. That shit clean.
It's not too much different in the look.
It's just a little bit back here, you know. The 66, 67, a little bit more rounded, but right
Exactly.
here. But it's still his shit clean. He just put LS3 in his shit, bro. He got Racing Bros front end LS3, bro. He got the full front clip from Racing Bros. Like he fucking doing numbers in his shit. You know what I'm saying? Like this in front of my house right here.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah. He.
Gotta love yourself, man.
Literally nervous.
He was racing the whole time, huh? Motherfucker said nasty. It's you right here? What year is it? 66. What you got up under there?
That's 350.
Oh, 350? Okay. Yeah.
Here's someone taking something out and I'm putting LS.
See, that's all. I want to get a Chevy 2 and toss an LS in that, but I don't know. Okay, you got it in the okay.
His wife's like, if you wanted to have any kind of sound, you gotta buy.
I got a black 400, the last meet I was at.
Do you have a 400Z like any other color? Black? 400Z?
Easy.
Somebody sanded down and then hit it with some rubber compound and scratched it. Now I don't drive it in the rain. I put it in the garage. Everybody say that. I hit the light.
Hella clean.
I tap in with you.
And these niggas out the crowd trying to
All right, Brody.
in the kitchen, can't be waiting on the nigga. All the things we was risking, like my vision waiting.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Wait, so you do that? That comes stock? Okay. Gotcha. My daily, that's my daily. Now I appreciate it. I love it. Yes, sir. You too.
You want another meat?
Is there another one? Okay. I'm sorry, back up. I'm all the way up in Sacramento. Yeah, I went down. I'm from San Francisco, but I went down here just off the train. But I might have to come right I'm in that. All right, bro, I appreciate it. Thank you for updating. Oh, you got it. Oh, no, you good. You good. Oh, you coming in cool? Oh, did I walk past him? No, I don't mind that. That's what I wanted. Stay smooth, bro.
The sun that finally came out, it and cooked me. I'm already black as hell now. I'm black as the hell. But we enjoyed ourselves. Mook in there waiting in the car. She ready to go. Yeah, we had a good time. They done cleared out the lot. It was a dope day, man. I need to come to more of these, man. But anyways, I got to get the Nova done because I seen a lot of classics. One pulling up right now too. I seen a lot of classics, and I need to be just like that, bro. I need to be just like that. Pull up in the scene, have it popping. Anyways, we're gonna get back with y'all with another one. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Yo, it's Keese.